Hi, I'm Eric Lanask. We're here in New York at this year's Telecom Exchange event. I'm talking with Purvis Conway from Construction CAD Solutions. Purvis, thanks for joining me. Glad to have you.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Who is Construction CAD Solutions? What do you do?
Construction CAD Solutions is a turnkey, full-fledged engineering and construction company in the telecommunications field.
So you're working with both existing incumbent fiber providers as well as some of the new entrants in the market?
You know, we started the business when fiber was in its infancy. One of our initial core competencies was cable, coaxial cable. And then it turned into what they call HFC, which is hybrid fiber coaxial cable designs. And it's kind of morphed into what we're seeing here today. We're seeing companies really building out tons of fiber across the U.S.
So it's got obviously an exciting time for you, seeing not only some consolidation in the market, but a lot of new operators and new networks being built out. That's got to be impacting your business positively.
You know, one of the real positive things that's going on is, you know, a lot of the major MSOs, the cable companies, the Comcast, the Time Warners, you know, in the past, what they've normally done is extend their fiber optic and then kind of shrink the coaxial footprint. So, you know, that's they call it extensions. What we're pretty blessed is that we still are able to service those MSOs, and you know, you have your new fiber companies that have launched over the years that are doing you know, dark fiber, backhaul fiber. So you know, with our past experience, we're able to kind of support those up and coming new fiber companies as they grow their networks.
So certainly being able to service that kind of a breadth of client base is a benefit. Are there other things that differentiate you from some of your competitors in the market?
Well, you know, we're from the old cable dog mentality. One of the things that we pride ourselves is that we've been doing, you know, this field collection, the field data collection, you know, the GPS, GIS surveying, you know, the land surveying. We've been doing it for years. At the time when, you know, the cable companies didn't really need it. You know, and what we were doing, and a lot of companies like us are doing, is that we're kind of morphing that technology to kind of, you know, speed up our clients' deployments to market. You know, one of the things that I constantly say, and I'm constantly faced with, is, you know, deadlines. You know, you want your dark fiber deployed, but it does you no good if you can't lease it, co-locate it, or activate it. So, you know, we take a lot of pride in our ability to you know, get our clients' projects up and moving.
Looking forward, what are we looking at from the company? Increased expansion, or what are your plans?
Well, we want to take the recipe that we've been kind of cooking up for 17 years in the Chicago market, and we kind of want to spread it to other areas. We're currently trying to spread some of that into the Latin American market, Central America to be precise. You know, I think you know, with our years and experience, I think you know, we can, you know, take our products and our experiences to other markets.
Are there specific things about the Latin America market or Central America market, as you mentioned, that pose particular challenges?
So many things. You know, just the language barriers for one, the culture. It's different, and just, you know, trying to relocate and you know, implement what you know. See, one of the things that we want to do and what we have been doing is, you know, yeah, we want to put individuals down there to with the expertise from here, but we also want to train the locals. We want to provide jobs and opportunities for the locals, and we want to kind of, you know, have them, you know, ultimately, you know, start thinking from a network design standpoint like we do.
Excellent, Purvis. Well, that's fantastic. Very exciting news, certainly, and wish you well with that expansion into Central Latin America.
Thank you.